Hello. All right. So today is your speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. All right. What is your name?
My name is Lucy.
Your name is Lucy. Nice one. And Lucy, how old are you?
My name is C.
So I'm
I see.
very good. Okay, Lucy, where are you from? Are you from Vietnam?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. And how are you today, Lucy?
Happy.
All right. Where is happy there?
Happy.
Yay. Okay. Are you ready, Lucy? Ready?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. What is this?
Blue.
It's a
It's blue.
blue car.
Huh.
Okay. How about here? What is this? It's
It's
what's the color? It's a green
a green
frog.
frog.
Okay. Nice one. It's
It's a zero.
t-shirt.
T-shirt.
Yes. Here.
It's a blue.
It's a blue.
Scissor.
Wow, it's a blue t-shirt. Okay. Now, where is the blue car? Can you point to the blue car? Yes. Where is the yellow t-shirt? Where is the green frog? Where is the purple flower? Purple flower. Wow, you're good. All right. Now, here. Where's the? Whoop, wait a moment. Where's the frog? Okay. Where's the house? House. Wow. House. Yes, correct. Where's the hat? Good. Where's the car? Car. Beep, beep. Okay, that's the car. All right. Who is this, Lucy? Grandpa or grandma?
Grandma.
Hmm,
Grandma.
grandma or grandpa?
Grandpa.
Grandpa. Okay. How about her?
Grandmother.
Grandmother. Okay. And who is he? Dad or mom?
Dad.
Dad.
Mom.
Mom. Okay. What is it? Mm, bedroom, kitchen.
Bedroom.
Okay, it's
Bedroom.
a bedroom. And it's living room or kitchen?
Living room.
It's a living room. Very nice. And how about here? It's bathroom or kitchen?
Bathroom.
Bathroom. Okay, and
Chicken.
kitchen.
Kitchen.
Okay. Now, Lucy, where is the kitchen? This is the kitchen. Wow, where is the bedroom? Bedroom. A bedroom. Yay! Well done, Lucy. Can you give teacher a high five? Yay! All